Okay, what we're going to do here is look at how we can move a solid object from one coordinate system or one orientation to another. So you can see here that I've created a WCS that has the XY plane on this particular face right here. And so what we essentially want to do is move this such that it rotates so that so this will be the new XY plane, if you will. So what I'm going to choose here is I'm in modeling and I choose the tools tab and I go into move object, and I'm going to go ahead, of course, and select this object. And I could do this in a number of ways, but I'm going to say align axis to vector. Okay. When I do that, you'll notice it says select a from vector. Select the orientation that you want to go from. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this down arrow, because what we essentially want to do is go from this orientation and then up to this ZC orientation. So it's kind of that kind of rotation. So my from vector will be this x-axis. My pivot point, I'm just going to keep the origin right here. You notice I have endpoint snap on. And then the to vector, I'm going to pick the ZC, what equates to the ZC or Z-axis here. And you can see that I get a preview of what's going to happen, and this is exactly what I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and say OK. Notice I have move original on, so that it will essentially delete the old solid orientation, and now I have the solid in the desired orientation.